In this video, we are going to see how we can turn off the background apps when we close the Brave browser. So let's say that we have different apps running in the background when we close the browser, and this makes our system very heavy, or it also has a risk of catching some kind of viruses. So we want to change that settings. Here's how you can do it. Just go to the top right hand corner and click on these three lines. Go to the settings right at the bottom. And on the left hand side, we want to search for system. If we scroll down a little bit, we can easily find this. Click on system, and here it says continue running background apps when Brave is closed. So let's toggle this off. Make sure the settings are saved. Just click on some other settings, go into the system again, and it will be saved properly. After that, just close out of here, refresh, and open the Brave browser, and it should work perfectly. And whenever you close this, the background apps will close automatically in the background. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.